Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restrict outgoing call to selected numbers only on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, we tap on the option key. From the pop-up menu, we're going to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on supplementary services. Then next, tap on fixed dialing numbers. And then tap on turn on FDN, which is fixed dialing numbers. And now we need to put in your current PIN or password for the FDN. Now, if you haven't set it up before, then the default could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you turn on FDN, fixed dialing numbers, tap on FDN list. In here, tap on the option key, then tap on add. Now put in the name. So let's say mom, and then number. Put in the phone number that you allow this phone to make the call. So for example, 222-333-5555. And then put in the PIN. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tap on done. And then tap on saved. Okay, so at the moment, this phone will allow to make outgoing call to the following numbers in the FDN list. So here I've got 222-333-5555. And now if I go back to the phone app, and you can see that in my phone app, if I try to make a call to a different number, then the phone will say fixed dialing numbers is on, so you can only call approved numbers. And if I call 222-333-5555 and then tap on dial, then I can make the call. And that's it. So that is how you can restrict your outgoing calls to certain numbers only on the Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.